ASUS ROG Strix G17 Gaming Laptop, 17.3 inches 300Hz IPS Type FHD, GeForce RTX 3078 GB GDDR6 with ROG Boost, AMD Ryzen 95900HX, RGB Keyboard, W10, 32 GB RAM, 2 TB PCIe SSD, Tikbot HDMI Cable. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3078 GB GDDR6 with ROG Boost.Latest AMD Ryzen R9 5900HX processor, 16M cache, up to 4.6 GHz, 300Hz 3 milliseconds 17.3 Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS Type display. Windows 10 Home. This laptop has been professionally upgraded to 32 GB memory, 2048 GB PCIe SSD. Original seal is open for upgrade only. We do provide a 1-year standard warranty on upgraded RAM/SSD bundled with Tikbot HD